The Audio-Technica LP120 has been the industry standard in the entry to mid-level price range for nearly a decade. The LP120X, released in 2019, is the model's first meaningful update. With this update, Audio-Technica has improved and refined many of LP120's key features, all the while reducing the price point. The AT-LP120 series has built its reputation on three key features. The first feature is a strong direct drive motor. Direct drive motors are unique in this price range and feature higher torque and require less maintenance than their belt-driven counterparts. The next key feature is the adjustable S-shaped tonearm. In addition to the solid build, the tonearm also features both counterweight and anti-skate adjustment, allowing you to accurately calibrate cartridge settings for better sound and less record wear. And the removable headshell design is also preferred for easy setup and cartridge changes. Lastly, the AT-LP120X is equipped with a quality built-in preamp, which allows for plug-and-play with any audio system's aux input. The preamp can also be turned off for those wanting to experiment with an external preamp or direct input into a phono-ready amplifier. Here's a quick rundown of additional key features. Now to the upgrades. The new motor is more energy efficient and offers a smoother playback. Also, the improved torque means Platter gets the playback speed faster with less fluctuations. The power cord is now removable, and the AC-DC conversion is done externally via the AC adapter. This will also improve sound quality by lessening electrical distortion. The anti-skate control on pre-2017 versions of the LP120 series was a known issue. For this model, Audio-Technica completely reworked and improved this feature. The LP120X has been upgraded with the new AT-VM95E Cartridge, which is mounted on the matching AT-HS6 headshell. This 95E has improved output and frequency than its predecessor. Also, you can upgrade the stylus with any VM95 series model. The preamp on the AT-LP120X has been completely upgraded for better sound quality. In addition, the bypass mode has been improved with nearly quiet operation. The RCA cables are now removable for easy replacement and/or upgrading. The pitch range has been changed to the industry standard +8/+16%. The stylus target light, which helps with cueing, is now a plug-in LED unit, making replacement easier. Lastly, the entire design aesthetic of the LP120 has been refreshed. The sleeker body, new components, and upgraded graphics add to a more refined look. Both the black and silver models feature a matte finish. Everything you need to set up the AT-LP120X is inside the box. Carefully remove all contents of the box and place the turntable on a solid surface. While removing the contents, we highly recommend not disposing of anything just yet, as there might be parts hidden inside the foam. We also recommend keeping the box, especially if you plan on transporting the turntable. Install the platter by placing it directly on the spindle. Next, place the slip mat on top of the platter. Insert the headshell into the tip of the tonearm, then secure it by turning the lock nut counterclockwise. Gently screw in the counterweight, with the number dial facing the front of the turntable. Plug in the supplied RCAs to the outputs of the turntable. To connect the turntable to a system to a standard aux input, simply flick the preamp to the on position. Connect the supplied AC adapter to the port found on the rear panel of the turntable. Move the counterweight back and forth until the tonearm balances or floats gently on top of the platter. Once you've successfully balanced the tonearm, return it to the tonearm rest. And without moving the counterweight, carefully rotate the number dial until the number 0 is in the 12 o'clock position. Then, rotate the counterweight to the recommended downforce of the cartridge, 1.0 to 2.2 grams. Turn the anti-skating dial so it matches the set downforce of the cartridge. Plug in the stylus target light. That's it. Have fun and enjoy your turntable.